Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Steve here again, and I've got an exciting video to share with you guys today. I'm just going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to make $500 a week without having to talk to anybody, right? Without having to send anybody anything, without having to share anything. I'm going to show you how to make $500, actually, or more. Really, you can make however much money you want to make. Actually, it's totally up to you. It's really cool. It's a really cool system here. So let me kind of show you what I mean here. I want to make this video as short as possible. Now, get daily and weekly cash flow. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So if you need extra money, pay close attention to this video. I'm going to show you how you can actually make some serious cash flow, and it's really simple. So what I'm going to do, have you ever heard of this before? Anybody ever heard of this before? HFX stands for high frequency trading. It's basically you can actually get money in minutes, get cash on demand using this particular strategy. Some people might call it binary options, and I'm going to explain in detail what this is. It's a form of trading. Now, you probably heard of the stock market. Of course, you've heard of probably Forex. Of course, you've heard of cryptocurrencies, where there's different things that people trade. Of course, you've heard of E-Trade. You've seen the commercials and everything, right, over the years. Well, that's a big thing now. Everybody's trading, right, because they can make money from their home using their phone, using their tablet, using their computer. They don't have to talk to anybody. They don't have to share anything with anybody. They can just make money on their own time. And with HFX, you can literally make money in minutes. And the cool thing about HFX is like playing a video game. It's like really simple. I mean, it's really like playing a video game. So if you like video games, PlayStation, Xbox, hey, this video's for you. Okay, so now you can actually make money when you're playing this particular video game. And the cool thing, it's very easy to set up, pays out fast, like in 3 minutes or less. Like you can actually make money in minutes with HFX. Okay, that's the cool thing about it. It's not complicated. It's definitely not overwhelming. And everybody can actually do this. So let me kind of break it down, how this actually works, how HFX works, which is called high frequency trading or binary options. So you're going to see exactly how this actually works. So here's an example of one of the platforms. There's many platforms that you can use. Here's one that we actually use. This actually does the HFX strategy where we can actually make money in minutes. And the cool thing, if you look here, it says Walt Disney. Now, when you're trading, all we're doing here, guys, all we're doing with HFX, we're actually trading stocks. You can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade commodities, you can trade currency pairs. There's a lot of different things that you can trade on the HFX platform. And in this example, we're going to trade some Walt Disney stock. You've heard of Walt Disney, Disneyland, Disney World, Mickey Mouse, all that, right? So we're going to trade some Walt Disney stock. And what we're going to do with HFX, all we're doing in HFX is just predicting if the stock is going to go up or down over a specific amount of time. Now, in this example, like I said, you can actually make money in minutes with the HFX strategy. In this example, we're actually going to do a 30-second trade, meaning we're going to predict if the stock is going to go up with, Walt Disney stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds, or, we can even predict if it's actually going to go down. And if our predictions are correct, we'll actually win some money. So we're just really predicting if the stock is going to go up or down with any given amount of time that we choose. And again, I think the less amount of time you can do is 30 seconds. I think the most you can do is, I want to say maybe 45 minutes to an hour. But again, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, it's totally up to you. And let me show you how this works here. So let me show you guys really quick here. So if you look here, Walt Disney. Okay. Now, if you look here at the top as well, it says 80% payout. What that means is if I make a prediction saying that Walt Disney stock is going to go up, over the next 30 seconds, guess what? They're going to pay me an 80% payout. So, for example, if I did a $100 trade and I won that prediction, they're going to pay me 80% of $100, which is what? $80. So I started with 100. Now I got 180. Makes sense? So I can make $80 like in 30 seconds. Okay. Makes sense. And I'm going to give you an example here how this works. So we're going to do Walt Disney stock. It could have been Walmart. It could have been McDonald's. It could have been a currency pair, a commodity like oil or, gold or silver or whatever. But we're just going to do Walt Disney. Everybody's heard of Walt Disney, right? And of course, right now, Walt Disney is paying out an 80% payout. And these numbers can fluctuate as well. I think I've seen it as high as 92%. But in this example, 80% currently right now. Now, if you look here at the bottom, it says 30 seconds. Remember, I said we're going to do a 30-second trade in this example. Okay, I could do a 3-minute trade. I could do a 5-minute trade. I can do a 15-minute trade or whatever. I can meaning I'll get in the trade, and at the end of that time, it's going to automatically kick me out of that trade. And if my prediction is correct, boom, I just won money. Now, in this example, this little field here says $100. So we're going to bet $100. Okay, so we're going to do a prediction of $100. And if you look at the red button, remember I said earlier, if you got a finger and you can hit a red or green button, you can actually make money here. So the red stands for sell. Okay, meaning if I'm predicting that Walt Disney stock is going to go down, I'm going to do a sell. Okay. If I'm predicting that it's going to go up, I'm going to do a buy. Make sense? So let me kind of give you an example. This is an example of a demo account that I kind of showed you, that I'm going to show you exactly how it looks real life when you're actually doing a trade. So let's just go ahead. We're going to do a 30-second trade. We're actually going to do 30 seconds, $100 buy, and we're actually going to do the green. We're going to hit the green button because we're going to do a buy, meaning I'm going to predict that the stock of Walt Disney is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. So here we go. Watch this. Okay, so it's going here, and I'm going to hit the green button right about now. Boom, there it is. Okay, see this line right here? That represents 30 seconds. So the object of the game is this little ball, which represents the price of that stock going up and down. It needs to be above this green line before, right when it reaches this finish line right here. See this finish line? As long as it's above that green line, I'm going to win that trade. I did a $100 trade. Let's see what happens. Ooh, we're going down. So we need to go back up. There we go. Boom. All right, so what does that mean? That means I just won that trade. And you're going to see a little indicator here with a little yellow saying I just won, $180. So we just made 180. Well, really we made 80 because we did a $100, trade, and we actually won that trade. So they're paying us 80%, of whatever we traded at. And so that's $180 in 30 seconds, really $80 in 30 seconds. Makes sense? And that was a buy. Simple. I just hit the green button. So I hit the green button and I just waited. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? That's all I did. I just waited, right? It looked like it was trending up. So and we've got tools, and there's a tool that I use. There's a training method that I use that helps to predict so you can win most of your trades and make a lot of money. I know some people that do HFX that are literally millionaires. They're just trading HFX every day, just a few minutes out of the day, and making a lot of money. So it's pretty cool. Let me show you here. Let me show you again. In this example, let's do a sale. Okay, we're going to predict that Walt Disney stock is going to go down in the next 30 seconds. Okay, we're going to do another $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. But in this example, we're actually going to hit the red button because we're going to predict that it's actually going to go down. So here we go. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do, let's start now. So we're going to hit the red button right about now. Boom, there it is. Okay, there's the 30-second timer right there. There's the line. Here's the finish line right here. Okay, see the finish line? So in this example, we got to make sure that little ball is below the red line here. So it could be anywhere below that red line, anywhere. Okay, and if it's anywhere below that red line, guess what? Cha-ching, we just made some more money. Okay, let's see what happens here. Keep going down. Go down. Man, it just keeps riding that line. Go down, down, down. Okay, boom. There we go. And it went where it is. Boom. We just won. Guess what? We just made another $180. Well, really made another 80. So, but again, hey, I did a $100 trade. So boom, I got $80 out of that. So in this example, I just did 2 trades total. I guess I profited $160. Okay. How long did it take me to do that? Okay. Now I've been talking to you guys in this video and everything. So, but if I wasn't talking to you, I could have done it in like less than a minute, made $160 in a minute. Okay. So that was HFX. That was an example of a live, the market live. And you can see the potential of what you can actually do with HFX. And now here's a cool thing here, guys. It's very simple to do. it's easy to share. You can tell people about this, man, and they'll see how simple it is as well. That's how I came across it. When they told me, I'm like, what? It was so funny when a friend of mine told me about this, and she was explaining it, and she wanted some money, and I was like, do that again. Do that again. And she did it again. I'm like, what? I'm like, do that again. And I'm like, I'm like, man, I can do that all day long. Right. And so boom, that's what it's all about. Right. It's it's a real simple way to actually trade. And you can lose, you'll lose some as well. But the whole object is to have the right, the right tools, resources, and information that can help you to win most of your trade. Because again, it's still trading. Okay. So, so don't get it twisted thinking that you're going to win all your trades, because nobody wins, even if they're trading stock, Forex, crypto, whatever. The object in terms of trading is winning most of your trades. If you're winning most of your trades, you're great. The downside of a lot of like trading stock and Forex and and even crypto and even some other different ways of trading is that it's really, really complicated. There's a process that goes with that in detail to even get in a trade, when it comes to some of those other ways of trading. And with HFX, it's like crazy simple, because all you're doing is hitting your red or green button for any given amount of time. And then you choose how much you want to trade. I could have done a $10 trade. I could have done a $5 trade. I could have done $1,000 trade. I could have done a $5,000 trade if I wanted to. But again, don't trade what you are not willing to risk. Does that make sense? That's just, and again, past profits don't guarantee future profits, all that stuff. Again, it's still trading. So by no means am I telling you, hey, if you do HFX, you're going to just what you want to do. You want to learn, like so many others, including myself, on how to trade and really get most of your trades so you can actually profit, and that money can go straight into your bank account. So it's really, really exciting, guys. Again, it's simple to do, easy to share. And of course, you get daily cash flow, and we got training available. What you're going to see actually right below, this video is some more information on how you can do that. And yes, you can actually do this. Is really, if I can do this, I've never really wanted to really learn how to trade per se, because here's the thing. As a marketer, I've always found ways on how to make money. And so it never really interested me that much, because I already knew how to make money online. But with HFX, and then when it came to a lot of trading, it just seemed very complicated to me. It was like, like I'm looking at, a very complicated math problem. So it was just like a lot of math involved. And I was like, oh, man, I can count, but I don't know if I want to trade that or learn how to do it. But with HFX, and all I got to do is use my finger, and then there's, I can get plugged into a community that can tell me when to hit the red or green button, and I could just follow the understanding of other people, and they can say, okay, everybody hit the red or green button, and I can hit the boom and make money. Hey guys, it's just definitely a no-brainer. So you're going to see some information below. Click the link in the YouTube description below, and I'll be able to break this down even more. You'll actually get a chance to see see some information about a particular community, a company that I'm learning how to be a very effective HFX trader. And here's a cool thing, because, as a marketer, we make money online, we make videos, we make sales funnels, we do all these cool things, and we're able to make money while we're sleeping, all that as well. But you know what, you definitely got to do investing as well. And it's always good to be able to, the money that you have and be able to flip it into more money, right? That's the whole thing about investing. I want to take a sum of money and I want to turn that sum into more money, right? So I'm using HFX. Me personally, I'm using it as a way to make more money on the money that I'm making from marketing. And it doesn't require me to, create a sales funnel or make any videos. I'm making this video because I want to let you know about it. And then you can see all the information. Just check out that information below. You'll find out more about how you can learn HFX. Also, you'll get a chance to really see how you can really exponentially, make your money grow really, really quickly, with this particular program and company community that I'm a part of. You'll be able to see that information right below. But again, that's all I got so far in this video, guys. I told you it's going to be a pretty quick video, but hey, HFX is really, really cool. If you've been thinking about doing some trading or whatever, you see the commercials, you see people sharing stuff on social media, and you really didn't know where to begin. HFX, I think by far is the best place to start if you're like a brand new person in the world of trying to learn how to trade, to turn your existing money, or even just to scale some money. Maybe you don't have a lot of money to invest, but you got a little bit and you want to scale that up. HFX is a perfect method for that because it's really, really simple. Again, hit a red or green button for whatever amount of time, and some incredible things could happen. It definitely, if you're following the plan, following the blueprint that you'll learn from the resource that we've got below, you can do some pretty exciting things. And I'm a part of a really cool community, guys. They got some really sharp people that know when to hit that red or green button. And so I'm excited about that. So that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to make this video to kind of give you some insight on that. If you like this video, guys, do me a favor, give it a like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel right below. I've got some more exciting videos to upload, and you don't want to miss those. So if you're looking to find ways to make money, to be successful, you don't want to miss those videos. So be sure to subscribe below and also click the bell so you'll get notified as well. So, hey, I got to do some trading. I'm about to get into my account right now and do some HFX trading before the night ends, and I'm excited about that. So, hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hey, check out that information below. You're gonna love it. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.